Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to use the Etekcity Food Scale and how to add food to the Nutrition Tracker app. This feature is super helpful for tracking your nutrition and making healthier choices. If you are interested in the unboxing and review part of the scale, you can click to watch this video first before continuing to the how to use part. Let's jump right in. First, if you haven't already, download the VSync app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've installed it, open the app and create an account or log in. From there, on the top right corner, you should have a plus sign to connect different smart gadgets that come as an option from the app with a Bluetooth option. But today, we are looking for the Etekcity Nutrition Scale. Make sure the Bluetooth option is enabled on your phone. Assuming that you have your app all set up and open on your phone, any available devices that are connected via Bluetooth should be popping up around the middle of your screen. To start adding foods and track on your nutrition, click the My Scale icon. If your scale is properly connected to your phone via Bluetooth, the scale should automatically generate all the macros on the LCD. First, I will add some cherry tomatoes. The package that I have does not come up in the food database when I scan the barcode, so I have to manually type in the search bar. As you can see, the scale is already connected to the phone, and once you have your food option selected, it will automatically start to read macros from the weight put on the scale. Don't forget to use the tare weight option if you are using a container. And yes, it's that easy. Now your calories can be saved to your app and view all the nutrition facts. I'm going to repeat the same step for some bread and packaged dark chocolate that I'm going to use the barcode to scan and add in my tracker. To open the camera shortcut from the phone app, look for a small square on the top right of your phone. And there is the total calories and nutrition of the all three types of food that I've added. The good part of this app is that it will save the portions and the type of foods you've entered, so you will have an idea of the estimated calorie intake when the scale is not accessible. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Etekcity Nutrition Scale and add food items to the app for easy tracking. This tool can really help you stay on top of your nutrition goals and make healthier choices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to 4K Reviews and Ideas for more tips and tricks on health and nutrition. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.